In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set Firefox as your default browser on Windows 11 in just a few easy steps. This is super useful if you want every link, search, or web page to open automatically in Firefox instead of another browser. Whether you're switching for speed, privacy, extensions, or just personal preference, this guide will walk you through the full process clearly from start to finish. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Firefox on your Windows 11 computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to the Firefox settings page, where you can manage browser preferences and account options. Now, on the left side, click Account and Sync. This section includes your Firefox account and also some important browser settings. Scroll down until you find the default browser section. Here, you'll see an option that says Make Default. Click that button to begin setting Firefox as your default browser. Windows 11 will now open its default apps settings. In the web browser section, click the current browser that is selected. A list of available browsers will appear. From that list, select Firefox. Once you choose Firefox, Windows 11 will now use it as your default web browser. That means links from emails, documents, and other apps should open in Firefox from now on. If you want to make sure everything is working properly, you can test it by clicking a web link from anywhere on your PC and confirming that it opens in Firefox. And that's it. Firefox is now set as your default browser on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.